Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. I'm sorry I haven't posted since like a month or so. So today we're going to be doing Nerf guns. Heading up to number 1, we have the Jolt, and I cannot find it right here. So the Jolt is a single dart, and like that. It's easy. Pull it back. It's pocket size. Any really Nerf pistol is pocket size. So, heading into number 2, we have the Fire Strike. It's a 3-dart gun that shakes when you hit it. And so you put a dart in here, cock this back right here. Hopefully, oh yeah, mine's broken, kind of. I still shoot it though. See? Pull right, like push down like this, kind of like an orange button. I don't think you guys right here that you pull and it shines a light. It's not white, but for some reason on the camera it's turning it white. So it's actually red. You shoot. Wow. So yeah, holds with 3 darts. You have to take the dart out from right here and push it up here. So yeah. That was number 2. Number 3 on the list, it's kind of like the Fire Strike, but it's really no light. So this should have been really a number 2. So let's get these darts over here. So it comes with 3 darts, and it's really easy to use. It hurts, so cock this back right here, and shoot like that. So yeah, that's number 3 on our list. Heading into number 4, we have the hammer, not the hammer, the strong arm. Strong arm, you guys can't really read it. Comes with 6 darts, and yeah, it comes with 6 darts. Get this loaded right now. So, and so it comes with 6 darts, easy to reload, easy to cock. So it comes with 6 darts, not really that much. So you shoot like this is like a trigger right here. Well, somehow I just made that water bottle move up. So heading into number 4, I think 5, 4, something, I don't know, somewhere in there. We have the Cyclone One Shock. It's a mega dart, comes with 6 mega darts. It's a mega dart, it's a mega dart gun. Comes with 6 mega guns. It's easy to reload and easy to not reload. Easy to cock back. So wow, that was loud to my ears. So this is number 5 or 4. Heading into number 6, I think that was 5. 6, we have the sling fire. So yeah, you easy pull this back. I already have it cocked. So shoot like that. Some people go like this, like go. And so it comes with May as 6 Nerf Elite darts, so not Mega darts. That was number 6 on our list. Heading into number 7, we have another Mega. So this is going to be our second Mega. Wow, that hurt. So this is called the Double Reach. It's easy to cock it back like that. And easy to shoot. Comes with 6 of them. 6 darts. It's fine. So yeah, no batteries included. It's a mega. So right now we have the Hyperfire. Comes with 25 darts. Right now I don't really want to make a mess with it, but I'm firing one. And it's automatic. So I think that was number 8 on our list. Heading into number 9, we have the Nerf regulator. Yeah, I think regulator. And this one's massive, and it can shoot crazy. Probably gonna have to dunk for this one. Holy crap, that was bad. And it comes with 2 12 darts. It's not a mega. 2 12 mags. Nerf Elite darts allowed up to 24. Oh, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Merry Christmas and